Hold it
Step over there. Right here.
Just like this. Well, I'm gonna go far. I'm gonna aim at it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
That's pretty good.
Good job.
This thing takes about 3-minute videos, but I'm just continuing it so you have more and more. You know.
You're getting funded, boy. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, don't keep after you.
5.
You're in front of him. Hit. Swing. You're gonna get your
Turn
turn
up.
up.
Oh! 3. All right, you're done.
Remember, Julie, I taught you how to swing a bat. Remember? All right.
I said he can not one more than 3.
I'm good at swinging.
Follow through.
Wait, no, you.
Good job, man. Look at me fight, dude. You need to be a baseball player, girl.
I'm gonna spin you. 1, 2. You
She
only
needs to be spun 5 times, too.
4. You only hit it with 5. Okay. Swing.
1, 2,
Whoa.
3. You're done. You're done. You're done.
Some of those would have connected.
Man, if she would have slipped, that would have that would hit me. That would have hit me in the noggin if she would have let go.
Mom missed that vicious, man.
We got it.
We got it spinning you big time.
No, only 9. I'm 9.
You're 9? All right, you spun 9
I
times.
thought you were 6.
But 10. 1 for a good
No,
luck.
no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Take a breath, boy.
7,
I'm not
good,
gonna get the burn.
8,
Oh, God.
9, 1 for good luck,
No.
10, soldier.
All right, take a breath, man. Hang on.
One more step. There you go.
All right, there you go.
1, 2, 3. All right, you're done. You're done.
Keep your hands closer to each other, Julian.
There you go.
Hey, Pam, come hold this for a minute.
Good job, Julie.
Pam, hold this for a minute.
We have a couple of these.
Pamela,
What?
I'm going to show him how to swing.
Huh?
Hold this for a minute.
You're going to come over here and do
No, I'm going to show him how to swing a bat right. Keep your hands together, remember?
No more.
Yeah, there you go.
1.
Look, like this. You know, swing like that.
Really hard.
How do I know?
Really
I
hard.
got it.
Really hard. One more time. All right, you're done.
Like this?
Good job.
Good job, Kyle.
Yeah.
The leg is, Heather, the leg is broke.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna have to
Go
get it together.
over there.
Go ahead. Come on, right up here. Hit it.
Hey, help him hold it.
Right there. Don't go around the house. Just stay right here.
I was like, ball.
1, 2,
I would just like tear it.
3.
That's made out of cardboard, Pam.
One of these kids is gonna get it right through this line.
Did you hear, Pam? That's made out of cardboard. Not
I know.
mistake.
I can do it. No. Where's she at?
She was like, no, it's Ariana.
No, the other little girl.
I don't think Ariana.
Hey, Julian.
She don't want it
Julian,
anymore?
while you're waiting in line, buddy, can you give me something to drink, a pop? While you're waiting in line, can you go get me a pop? I'm hot.
You guys coming?
Yeah, okay.
Come on.
Actually,
Oh, you do want to go again? Okay, yeah.
Ariana. Are you good? All right. On to the next one. Oh, come on.
This is the last one.
thank God, I'm thirsty.
Come on, hurry.
You don't have any bag over there, Tim?
Right there.
There's a bag right there.
All right, take that bag, Jake. There you got your bag, right?
I don't know how.
All right, guys, back up. Michael. Michael.
Here's
Come on, man.
glare there.
No more 10s. You already gave me good luck.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me the spin.
You actually cracked it pretty good that time.
Actually, spin me 10.
3.
Good job.
All right, you're done.
Now, if there's any Snickers in there, it's mine.
Oh, Tim, you don't put chocolate in a pinata.
Why not?
In Florida? Maybe in
All
Illinois.
right, here we go. I think we're gonna have some
I'm gonna have to-
candy right about now, so I think everyone should be very kitchen close, but not too close.
Wait.
Back up. Back
Wait,
up.
Right?
Back
Back
up.
up, back
Hold
up.
on. Hold on.
Trying to.
Go.
Go. 3. Oh, all right, we're done.
Woo. Good job. Who's that? Matthew?
Yeah.
Matthew.
There
All
we
right.
go.
Okay, I got your bag right here for candy. Okay.
You might want to get down more.
All right, hey, back up, guys. We only want SpongeBob to lose an eye.
She's holding it for me.
Back up.
I don't know how well these.
One. Oh, no, no.
Hey, dude.
Hold on. Now you get
Hang on,
spun.
hang on.
Now you get spun for cheating.
Yeah.
One.
Six,
Said he was gonna aim for the eggs.
seven
Let's do
times.
it.
All right.
Come on.
Everyone back up. These kids swing.
Back up. Right, back up.
Go. 2, 3. You're
Oh,
done.
good job, dude.
I want to drop it down a little bit for the shorter kids.
I want to hit it one more time. I need to hit it one more
All right, you're after Linnea, right? Yeah. Oh, your team. I'm sorry. All right, we got you now.
Now you gotta hit it really, really hard, okay?
Okay, you're after Candace.
I always think you hit it once.
Well, I'm sure you'll
Hit
hard.
1,
Oh, good
2, 3. You're done. You're done.
I want the leg.
Okay, Candace.
Then I grab the bag. Where are the legs? Over
You guys
there.
swing really, really hard, okay?
I believe.
Yeah, you're right after her.
Ah.
Watch out.
Hang on, back up.
All right, go ahead.
Your candy bag.
Excuse me, Heather. Heather.
2, 3. All right. Exactly that was 3 swings, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hey, no. I'm going to find you something better than that.
10 times.
Don't have a stick. I'm going to show for that. Yeah.
Only
have many.
Yep.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, stop. I can see a little.
Hey, thanks for being honest, Julian.
Thank you. Yeah, for real.
Alright.
Great. Good. 1, 2, 3.
Man, you almost got it.
You almost got it. Look at
Almost.
that. What you did, boys. Look at it.
Put your hands close together, didn't you, Julian?
Yep.
A lot more
All
power.
right.
See 'em.
Kobe, no more blindfold.
Just let her rip, huh?
Oh, look at Michael wants to turn.
Let her rip.
Yeah, let's let my
Yeah, look at him. He's got him a stick. Come on, baby, here. Take this. That'll help.
Hey, he knows how to swing.
He knows how to swing.
Ready?
He knows how to.
I know.
I don't think they need
1. Get it? 2. You do right one yourself.
Get it.
Hit it. Hard you can.
All right.
Good job.
All right.
All right.
High five. High five.
I don't think they need
Back up,
Back up, honey.
Michael.
Just don't get in the way of the camcorder here.
Back it up.
Heather.
Back it up.
Excuse me, Heather.
Back it up.
2. Pull it out.
Oh.
Pull it out. One more.
You impaled him.
Oh.
Nice.
All right.
Knock his hand off.
Hey, this SpongeBob I actually like.
Chip off the shoulder.
Come on, we're almost there, guys.
You hear me, Pam?
I want to do it without no blindfold.
Nope.
Yeah, if you get another turn.
Whoa.
I won't. I already
Michael,
know
come here,
that.
buddy. Here, come here.
All right.
Here, buddy.
I got his candy bag.
How you doing, huh?
Cheers. Oh, right here.
No, you stay right here.
Come on.
Don't cry.
Here, you
I don't want to hear no
everybody
crying.
take a step back. We're getting too slow.
Yeah, he's right there.
Go ahead.
Shh, no.
Go ahead. Go get it.
No crying.
1,
You're right there.
2, 3. All right.
You're right, him. Okay, and then.
I would let Candace go first.
No.
No, Michael,
Man.
Michael, come here. Come here.
I'm all over the place with this thing. My arms are getting tired.
Whoa.
All right.
Good job.
My arms are getting tired.
Candace. Okay. And then Linnea.
1, 2, 3. You're done. You're
Good
done.
job.
All right.
Linnea, yeah.
Nene.
You're next, right?
No.
Matthew.
Matthew.
And then you.
No, you're next.
You got 2.
Is that his drink? Okay.
1,
Hey, look, be careful behind you.
2, 3. All right. Oh.
We can probably make it 2 more shots, right? You think you and
Julian can bust it all apart.
I know Matthew's going to get it. It's ripping up. Yeah.
All right, watch out.
Stand back, Ben. Stand back.